Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code on macOS, or maybe if you are a Windows user, it's not a big issue. The process is really simple and the same. So first of all, we are going to go to the browser, and we have actually three ways to do this. To install Claude Code. One is you can actually use a Claude Code AI chatbot. Another one is you can use Claude Code CLI, command line interface, so that you can actually use terminal literally. Okay, and then maybe if you are from Windows, then use command prompt. Okay, then we have another way, that is through extension. You have to install a code editor like VS Code or let's say Anti-Gravity, Google Anti-Gravity, or maybe Cursor. Then you can actually install an extension called Claude Code for VS Code. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the three process. At first, we are going to go with desktop option. Okay, so if you type Claude download, okay, if you type Claude download on the browser, here you can see Claude for Windows. So we'll actually click here Claude for Windows, or on the other hand, you can actually click here Claude download Claude by Anthropic. Here you can see download Claude app for Mac, Windows, iOS. So we can actually click here, because if we click here in the first link, then there will be it will start downloading the .exe file, which is actually if you are using macOS, it's not, it will not work. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to actually go for the claude.com, then download. Here you can see this one, download Claude. Okay, Claude by Anthropic. All right, currently we are inside download page. Here you can see, now click here download from Mac if you are from Mac user, or on the other hand, you can see we have desktop option here for the Mac, then Windows. Okay, so if you're from Windows, go with this one. Okay, don't go with this one, because most of the PC actually don't have this. Okay, so don't go this, go with this, just go with this one if you're from Windows, and then if you're from Mac, go with this one. I already have this. Okay, Claude Code. What you have to do, you just have to actually download this, and you would have to double click on this, and then it will actually start installing if you are from Windows. And if you are from Mac, you just have to actually drag it on the file section to application section. That's it, simple, very simple. And I am assuming that you can do this. So this is the first process. Now let's go for the second process, and that is CLI. So go for the terminal, and if you're from Windows, go for the command prompt, type cmd and go for the command prompt. Okay, and then here you just have to say npm. Okay, npm space install space open code, sorry, this will be Claude Code, right? So you can say here -g, so that you can install it globally. And what it will do, let's say you want to create your project from a specific folder, you can actually open your terminal there, and you can access the Claude. Okay, because you have installed Claude globally, right? So that is the reason actually you have to say here -g, then space you have to say at Anthropic, because we are going to install it through Anthropic. So nthropic Anthropic -ai / Claude -code. That's it. Now if you hit enter, then it will start installing. But if you're from macOS, one more extra thing you have to do here, and that is sudo, because in Mac we have to actually give the permission as super user. So you have to say here super user do, then space npm space install space -g at Anthropic -ai / Claude -code. If you hit enter, then it will start installing in your PC, and it will actually go for Claude Code CLI. Okay, command line interface. Now the third one is extension. So for this, you have to actually download either VS Code, or maybe you can go for Anti-Gravity. So I have Anti-Gravity here. You can download VS Code, but I will go with Anti-Gravity, and I will suggest you to go with Anti-Gravity, because Anti-Gravity is more faster, maybe, I don't know, but I love this. So let's go for Anti-Gravity. Here you can say I have VS Code also. You just have to install this. Now if you want to install Anti-Gravity, you have to actually go for the browser, and then go for Google Anti-Gravity. Okay, Google Anti-Gravity. If you type it and search it, then you can actually go for the Google Anti-Gravity, click here download, then it will directly take you to the download page. Now you can see we have Mac option, then Windows. It depends on your operating system. If you're from Windows, you have to go with this one. Okay, first one, download for x64. If you're from Mac, go with Apple Silicon, and if you're using the old Mac, you can go with Intel. but I hope you are using more than M1 chip. If you are from, I mean, if you're using more than M1 chip, okay, from M1 to the latest version, you can go with this one, okay, Apple Silicon. And before M1 you can go with this one also. Okay, so that's it. I hope you can install it. Just download this and install it, okay, in your PC. Really simple. And here you can now go for the anti-gravity, open it. And here I already have my project, so I'm going to remove this from here. Okay, close that. Okay, so when you will open it, it will be something like this. I mean, this is the interface. In the right side you can see we have chat option here. So this is the default chat option, but we are going to use with an extension. And let's go for the extension section here. And then here we have to say Claude Code for VS Code, okay, for VS Code. I already have this, so here you can see you just have to download this, okay, I mean, sorry, install this. That's it. And then in the I mean, under this extension section you will find here a new session. So basically when you will first, I mean, if you install it, then you have to actually log in through your Claude account, otherwise you cannot see this, okay. So you have to log in through your Claude account, and then you can use this extension. But I forgot to mention one more thing, and that is, if you want to use Claude Code CLI, command line interface, as I showed you in the terminal, you have to buy at least Pro version, because it's premium. Either you have to buy it, otherwise you can actually use it, okay. So just go with the Pro version at least, and it will cost maybe $15 to $20. Sorry, not 15, $17 to $20 maybe, okay. And then you can actually use Claude CLI. Or on the other hand, if you want to use it free, that is not totally free. There is a certain limitation, but you can generate code. So you have to actually go with the Claude AI web version. So go for the Claude AI web. Okay, maybe you can actually go for Claude AI. Then it will took you to the web version. But I've just searched it, so I will get now an link, okay, a website link. So let's just wait for the link. Okay, so you have to come here, Claude AI. So go to the Claude AI official site, okay, and from here you can generate code. But this is, I think, pathetic for me, because you have to download the code and then you have to use it on the, I mean, on your project. So the easiest way is you can actually go with anti-gravity and then install the extension, okay, and then use it. All right, so that's it. These are the process to get Claude Code for your PC. I hope you understand. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.